Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Sejoy. This is their 7D head and face shaver with a 5-in-1 grooming kit. This is IPX7 waterproof, up to 90 minutes of shaving per charge, and you get 7 3D floating shaving heads on this shaver. So we're going to check this out now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is everything that you get once you get it out of the box. The first thing we're going to take a look at is the user manual, and interestingly enough, the model on this is called the Alien Pro, which I found kind of amusing. You do get this in multiple languages, so if English isn't your first language, you can make do with this and its multiple languages. I'm going to leave these specifications up here. If I miss anything, you guys can come back to this point in the video. Now, it's IPX7 waterproof. It has a 900 milliamp lithium battery rechargeable in it that'll take about 90 minutes to charge, and you get 90 minutes of shave time on this as well. So refer to the manual if you do need it. Now, there is the main unit, but this is the charge cable they give you. It's a standard USB Type A to USB Type C charge cable. You can plug this into any laptop or PC's USB, or you probably have one of these AC to USB adapters lying around that you can plug into the wall. Now again, it takes about 90 minutes to charge, but you'll get 90 minutes of runtime, and it's not going to take you 90 minutes to shave, so you're going to get a ton of shaves out of each charge. Now here is the clipper attachment. This is going to be for maybe doing your sideburns or trimming your beard if you need to. You also get a facial cleaner brush here, and you get a nose trimmer as well. So if you need to trim your nose hairs, you can do that as well with this attachment. And then we also have a silicone version of the face cleaner here. If you want to use the silicone bristles instead of the traditional bristles, you'll have that. Also get a nice little brush here to help you clean out your accessories, and you do get some clipper guards if you're going to be trimming a beard or mustache, 3 millimeters, 5 millimeters, and 7 millimeters in length as well. So what we want to do is take a look at the main unit here. It's got a cover for it to cover the blades when you're not using it. And it's got these nice 7 blades here. They are 7D blades. Let's turn this on and show you exactly what it sounds like while you're using it. So when you turn it on, it's going to tell you what your RPMs are at, how much power you have left, and you can turn the RPMs up or down. So now I'm at 70 RPM, 75. I can go from 75 down to 65. So I've got a low, a medium, and a high. So high is 75 RPMs, and I've got 100% of battery left. So as you can see, you can go from 6,500 RPMs to 7,000 RPMs to 7,500 RPMs, something I did want to mention there. You do get a little light on the back of it as you're using it as well. I'm not sure how important that is to you, but is a pretty neat little feature. Now these 3D floating heads, the 7D shaver here is magnetically attached, as you can see, so you can remove it quickly and easily for cleaning, and you can easily pop it back on when you need it. We're going to do a little bit of a demonstration here on how this works. I didn't shave for a few days. So I did want to test this out, but you can see that the heads on this rotate on 360 degrees or kind of bend. So they should, contour to your jawline, or if you're somebody like me who shaves their head, it should actually contour to your head as well. The attachments on this are pretty simple. You can just pull off the one that you're not using. You'll see that there's a little triangle in there that fits in one way there, and it should be pointing upwards. So there we go. Let's just snap on the clippers there, and of course we can use the attachments as well for these clippers, and they'll just clip on just like any other clippers would, and work really, really nice for trimming up, like a beard or a mustache, something like that. Now the nose clippers do the same, so you can see that we can line up the inner portion there, and it easily will do that as well. So no problems switching attachments with this. The last one I want to take a look at is this facial cleaning attachment with the traditional brush. Also has that inside it, and to change that traditional brush to the silicone brush itself just replaces the traditional brush. So what I mean by that is that you pull this portion off and then you put on the silicone portion. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 for this specific attachment. But that's an overall view of the attachments. Let's get into a demonstration, see how it actually shaves, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are in my bathroom. I am sorry that I did not clean the mirror before I did this video, but you can see that I've got some pretty good growth on both sides of my face, and we're going to do one side of my face. You always want to, with these brushes or shavers, is at least wet your face down. You can put some lotion or whatever you're going to be using to shave, but if you do not, you will get razor burn. So definitely put some sort of lotion or cream on your face so that you do not get razor burn with these. This one is going to test the left side of my face. So let's check this out and we'll see what the end result is versus the right side of my face. Okay, so there we go. I've done one side of my face. You can definitely see the difference there. And the left side of my face is actually really smooth. It doesn't look like there's really any razor burn or anything like that. So I'm pleasantly surprised with this shaver. So there you go. That's my review of the Sejoy 7D head and face shaver with 5-in-1 grooming kit. I really do like the 7 blades. I think they give you a wider coverage on your face, your neck, your head if you're a bald person and you're shaving your head like I do. This works out really well, and it doesn't take as long to do because you have 7 shaver heads. I like that it's rechargeable by USB. I like the fact that it's IPX7 waterproof so I can wash it out. And I like all the attachments that you get with it, as well as the LED display that shows me how much battery power I have left and also the RPMs that I'm running. This actually has 3 speeds. A lot of them don't. They just have a static 1 speed. So depending on if I just go a day and I only need a low power mode, I can use that. Or if I go 3 days and I need a higher RPM, I can bump it up, and that works out just fine. So if you're looking for a shaver and 5-in-1 grooming kit, you might want to check out this one from Sejoy. This is Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.